Here we have some units at an apartment complex. This is a Trane. And this one is the carrier that's close to the apartment that we are visiting. We have friends that live in this apartment. This is their unit. It is a 2012 3-ton, I think. This one is working really well. Like, it's cold and sweaty, and it's very warm inside. I mean, very cold inside the apartment. Anyways, moving on. You barely even hear it. It's quiet. Hey. Data is 2006, and this is a pane. I like this kind of ream unit. I just missed the startup of one of those over there. I think it was that carrier. And I don't know what this is. It looks like it's supposed to be cool. Oh, here's a Trane XLi and this carrier performance is running 2022, and then there's a Trane XR in there. Okay, so there are some older units around here. And here we have, wait, no, one of these is a Nordyne. Air temp. I don't know how to. It's a 1.5 ton, and it hasn't been running. This looks like. Is that a heat pump? I think that's a heat pump. (2011), and this is a pane. Here's something running. Kind of noisy. This looks like an old Goodman or something. What is this? Sounds loud. Oh yeah. Interesting. Usually they're exposed. It's also running. Where the data is. That one might be an inverter. And it just turned off. Alright. Startup time. That was okay. It took 16 minutes. That was the startup of this Goodman with the cocoa recip. Now it's dark outside. Usually these have scrolls in them. I'm surprised this has a recip. It's quite noisy. Anyways, I'll see what else I can find. Trane XLi 2015. I think it's a 2-ton. Can't see the compressor. This is a new Goodman. Data's back there, can't read it. And this is a ream. And there's a carrier. I think that's a carrier, and there's a Goodman. And we got a Goodman. This ream. Can't see it in the video, but something's really loud over here. What the jeez, that's loud. What? Seriously? It's a ream? It's one of those. Why is it so loud? Those are supposed to be quiet. Literally just missed the startup of this Goodman. You can't even see it in the video, but and there's a carrier comfort as well. But that's a new Goodman with a scroll compressor, and it just started up as I was walking up to it. I think I found the house that we're visiting. There it is. I'm gonna end the video because it's dark. You can't see anything in the GoPro, which is annoying. Even when I go close to the light, you can't see it.